Hi guys, so just wanted to show you our new electric side steps fitted on this 23 Ranger Raptor. Really sleek finish, as you can see, nicely tucked away here in the nice matte black finish. Really cool, these, I have to say, really like them. So open them up, massive steps here. Get in. Give you a huge platform to get in and out. Really nice finish. You've got the 3 mounting brackets, unlike a lot of others out there that only have the 2 mounting brackets. There's a big selling point there. Really strong and just such a nice finish on there. Really sleek. You can grab them now, nextgenranger.co.uk.